Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a 31 Duesenberg. Also known as a 31 Doozie. This is the final run version. This car is no longer being made, so we're going to destroy it and remake it into a better looking version, hopefully, of itself. So let's get started. Got it drilled apart. Now we got to just take it apart. Got the interior, base, top, body and windshield. This is the part we're going to strip and paint. We'll be right back. Okay, we're halfway through this. We've got it stripped. Found some new wheels for it. So, I'm thinking about painting all this black as white. And then this will be pink. And we'll have it finished. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back from the paint shop and we got her painted. Looks pretty good. All we got to do now is put it back together. We'll be right back. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Well, that ends our video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and click the little bell for notifications of future videos. Appreciate your comments. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.